The woods are full of trees, geese, one very large bear, and apparently half the English language. Here are 8 idioms from hunting and the woods. Number 1, loaded for bear. Rabbit hunting needs light gear. Bear hunting needs everything you own. Being loaded for bear means overprepared for the biggest possible fight. Number 2, barking up the wrong tree. The dog is certain. The dog is committed. The raccoon is in a different tree entirely. Barking up the wrong tree means accusing the wrong target with total confidence. Number 3, a wild goose chase. The goose has wings, a head start, and no appointment to keep. A wild goose chase is a long, exhausting pursuit of something you were never going to catch. Number 4, beat the bushes. If the birds will not come out, you go in after them, whacking every shrub on the way. Beating the bushes means searching everywhere, loudly and thoroughly. Number 5, out of the woods. The tree's thin, the path appears. You can finally see. House out of the woods means past the dangerous part, mostly. Number 6, can't see the forest for the trees. Nose against the bark, counting rings, while the entire forest stretches out behind. It means so buried in details that the big picture disappears. Number 7, hunt where the ducks are. You can set the world's finest decoys in a parking lot. Nothing will land. Hunting where the ducks are means going where results actually live. Number 8, bag your limit. The tags are filled, the cooler is full. The law says that is enough. Bagging your limit means getting everything you came for and going home happy. And that is 8 idioms from the woods. You are now officially out of them. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for new idiom every single day.